My good people, and welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, your number one channel for legitimate news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside this our green country wey be Nigeria. And just like as we dey do am normally, we don come with breaking news. E get report wey dey our table like this, so we need share give the general public. And the koko na about the crisis and the things wey dey happen for inside Osun State. You know say last Atiku Abubakar wey be the former vice presido of this our green country Nigeria, he don put mouth onto the matter. He now don dey condemn the All Progressive Congress and their leader, and that na the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria wey be Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Now Oga Atiku Abubakar dey condemn dem sake of wetin im dey describe as a blatant assault on democracy for inside Osun State. Now in the yarn say the things wey dey happen for there, e no make sense at all. For inside one statement like that now wey him Atiku Abubakar drop for his social media handle for the popular social media platform wey we all know as X, he now come dey accuse the ruling party wey be APC of orchestrating. In dey accuse them now say na dem organize a violent takeover of local government secretariat and then use armed thugs and mercenaries. And him now wey be Atiku Abubakar, he come dey brand their actions, he come dey label their actions as a desperate bid to retain power through lawlessness. And normally those kind levels, e no make sense at all. According to how the former vice president take write am, he say country people don carry their eye witness a chilling display of lawlessness as the Tinubu-led APC come go expose the depths, they come go expose the fullest of their desperation to retain power at all cost. Second say they want power now, they don dey follow through sheer political brigandage and the subversion of democracy. Because of say these men they want power, because of say these men now they are obsessed with power, they don dey follow the road wey no make sense, they don dey do things, they don dey put their hand for undemocratic activities there. And normally my good people, those kind levels, it no make sense at all. Still according to Oga Atiku Abubakar, wey be the former vice president of this our nation Nigeria, the APC they attempt to forcefully seize control of all 30 local government area council secretariats, while the APC, their national leadership and the presidency, they remain silent and complicit about the matter. As the supporters of the All Progressive Congress start they do jagoda business across Osun State and across the nation Nigeria, their leader will be our Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the other ogbonge leaders now for the All Progressive Congress, to just keep their mouth shut. They never even talk anything about the matter. They never even like say make them come outside, can't tell their supporters, make them do the camps, make them respect rule of law and all those kind of levels. They never even come outside, can't talk like people be say that they against the things where their supporters they do for inside the nation Nigeria. And those kind of levels normal, it no good. But as things now they play out for inside Osun State, Oga Atiku Abubakar come dey praise the resilience of Osun residents them. He now come dey praise the countrymen wey resist the campaign of the All Progressive Congress. He now come dey praise those men now wey prevent a complete subversion of their democratic rights. He now come dey praise those countrymen wey stand against the supporters of the ruling All Progressive Congress as they come to do jagoda business. Although the governor of Osun State to be Ademola Adeleke, he now don confirm am say on top the crisis, on top the chaos, there were loss of lives. 5 PDP members bear RIP on top the matter. But now the former vice president of this our nation Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, he now dey yarn say make this matter now dey very much clear. Osun State no go lie bow to anti-democratic forces. The people now don show beyond their doubt say they no go allow their electoral rights to be stolen, no matter the level of intimidation, no matter the level of heat wey any jagoda person carry come. The people of Osun State, they are ready to counter the attack. And as for the local government election, women don already arrange say it will happen on Saturday, maybe the 22nd day of February for this year 2025. Oga Atiku Abubakar now dey yarn say they demand make security agencies deploy, make them plaster for the election and make them make sure say they uphold their constitutional duty with professionalism. May they no let the APC criminal agenda last come to pass for inside the election. May they no allow the APC criminal thugs them have their way. And the former vice president cause the yarn say like this now the world is watching. Men that just dey pour the things where they happen. These dangerous times, so you be say the ruling All Progressive Congress don kukuma abandon any pretense of democratic legitimacy. Now they didn't hide their true colours again. They don resort to brute force in their bid to cling to power. They don say they want power now, they're ready to do violent activities and they are no longer hiding it. And even as many country people dey fight against am, they still proceed further with their undemocratic activities. Now he come dey urge Nigerians, he now come dey urge the general public make dem remain vigilant and make dem comot body from any attempt to hijack democracy. Make dem no let the APC have their way for inside we nation Nigeria, because last the price to pay for liberty na eternal vigilance. Men gatz mount to say no to undemocratic activities. Men gatz defend their civil rights. Men gatz to say no to anything wey no dey in line with our rule of law. And country people gatz demand good governance, not chaos. And im believe very well say Nigerians no go sit idle while democracy is being hijacked by a regime wey dey power drunk, a regime wey dey find power by all means. And their intent, their aim na to put our country in a wulewu state, na to set fire for our nation Nigeria, na to make things come dey difficult for the general public. Men gatz stand up to say enough is enough. So this, my good people, na wetin the former vice presido of this our green country Nigeria, Atiku Abubakar, talk about the crisis wey dey happen for inside Osun State. And no be lie, my good people, the ruling All Progressive Congress true need to do the calms, because similar things don happen for different states for inside we nation Nigeria. You know, say the time wey the Edo State Governorship Petition Tribunal bin dey sit for inside Benin City, 2 times when the court bin get their proceedings, na so jagoda men, suspected APC supporters, come dey cause kasala for the premises. E come back as if the men no want make the tribunal find out the truth about the Edo State governorship election wey sup for inside the 21st day of September for inside the year 2024. That now come make the tribunal kuku move go Abuja, wey be the federal capital territory of this our nation Nigeria. And na still with thugs, na the APC take drive out the People's Democratic Party comot for their secretariat for inside Edo State, Benin City, with the claim say na dem bin get the secretariat before the People's Democratic Party come take over. Similar things dey happen for inside Rivers State, where the ruling All Progressive Congress dey adopt the use of jagoda men wey be thugs dem to dey do kasala business for inside Rivers. Those kind levels normal, e no make sense at all. So this, my good people, na the informate wey I go like share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Next, now we be Anointed Lady TV. Our hoping now to dey give una legit informate on the things and things wey dey go on for inside this our nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring more news dey come, na go first receive the update and you go even get am sharp. Me dey come your side again with another legit news for you, my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.